Hello everyone! Today we're making something very exciting together. Something to do with the season we're in. What season are we in? Summer. Are we in winter? Yes, you're right, we're in autumn. Well done. Let's just remind ourselves the 4 seasons. It's the first season. You are right. First season is spring. What comes after spring? Summer. Well done. What comes after summer? Autumn. You are right. What comes after autumn? Winter. Well done. What season are we in? Autumn. Who loves autumn? I have to say, autumn is one of my favorite seasons. And the only reason is all the beautiful colors that you can see in autumn. So what I did today, I went and collected some of these beautiful leaves. I didn't have to go too far, I only went to my garden. Okay, if you haven't got a garden, you can go to the park and collect some of the leaves. And look at all these beautiful colors that I found. Let's see, what colors can we see? What color can we see on this leaf? Yeah, we can see some green and some yellow, and it's got a stripy pattern, isn't it? Pattern, can you see a pattern? Well done. So this is one of the beautiful leaves that I found in the garden. Let's see what else. This one, I love this color. It's like a rusty color, isn't it? Brown, it's somewhere between brown and orange. It's like a rusty color. I love it. What else have I found in my garden? What colors can you see? It's got some green and it's got some, it looks like dark red, isn't it? Kind of dark red. It's a beautiful color, and this one also has a beautiful pattern. I'm really amazed by this leaf. Let's see what else have I got in here. This color. Can you see? Yes, it's orange or kind of a rusty color. You can't see it properly, but it's also a little bit red as well. Can you see it? What else have we got? Let's see. Look at this beautiful leaf. What color can you see? Yes, you're right. It's got some yellow and it's got a little bit of green left. Well, what else have I got in here? Look at this beautiful flower leaf. It's got green. What other color can you see apart from green? It's got yellow as well. Well done. Okay, so let me just show you a few of them, and can you tell me if you notice any difference? Okay, let me take one more. Can you notice any difference between these leaves? Yes, okay. So they are different shapes, okay? They're not all the same shape, okay? They all come from different trees, okay? What else is different about them? Yes, you are right, different patterns. What else is different about them? Different colors, you're right, different colors. What else is different about them? Their size, well done. So some of them are big, some of them are middle size, some of them are small. Okay. Well, so I've got my leaves, so make sure you've got your leaves as well. Next thing we need is, what does a tree need? Apart from leaves, it needs a trunk. trunk. Oh no, I can say trunk. Trunk. So this is what I found. And where did I found a twig, okay, that I'm going to use for my trunk. Okay, so let's see if it fits. Yes, it does fit. Okay. Next thing I need to do is I'm going to need some tiny leaves. Okay, these are a bit too big. They're not all going to fit in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a hole puncher. So a hole puncher, and I'm going to create some tiny leaves just like this. Okay, if you have trouble doing this, or if you are too little and it's not safe, just ask one of your parents or carers or friends or family, you know, to help you do this. It can be a bit tricky and it will take a long time. Okay, so carry on until you've got enough leaves. These are my leaves, the one that I prepared already. Okay, so you can see there's lots of different colors, all autumn colors. There's some orange, there's some green, some brown, some yellow. Okay, they are beautiful colors. You might need more than this. I only made a little bit. Next thing I need to do, I'm going to give my tree some water. Okay. Again, if you need help from your parents or from your carers or sisters, brothers, whatever, you can ask them to help you. It might be a bit tricky to do it on your own. Okay. Lots of water. Okay, now it's hot. A bit more. And then it's all the way to the top, but I will need more water. Okay, I need a bit more water. Okay, so I'm going to fill it up. Okay, all the way to the top. And then I'm going to add my leaves. Okay, so you can see these are the leaves that are falling to the ground in autumn. At the moment we are at the top, they will go down a little bit. Okay, so they're all in there. I'm going to put the lid on. I've never done this before, so hopefully it will work. This is the first time I'm trying this. Okay, so they will start going down a little bit, but you can give it a little shake. And can you see all the autumn leaves falling? They're still a bit dry, so they're going to float. Okay, so give it a little shake. You need to make sure you put the lid on properly. A little shake. And on your leaves. Okay, my lid is not on properly, so it's leaking a little bit. But make sure your lid is on. You actually might want to turn it the other way around. Turn it upside down so you... But my lid is not on properly, so I don't want to make a mess. Okay, so can you see the leaves falling down? Give it a little shake. Falling down, falling down. Oh, the leaves are falling down, just like this. Wow, it's amazing, isn't it? So I hope you enjoyed this activity with me. Let me show you what I've got left. I've got all these leaves that are hole punched. If you don't want to throw them away, it might be a good idea to use some string. Where did I leave my string? To use some string to thread them. Okay, so let me show you. I've got my string. Let me choose a different color. Okay, so if you want, you can get the string, also some wool or whatever you want, whatever you have at home, and you can thread it. So you're basically go in and out with the string, actually with another one. Okay, ready? Okay, so you go. This is actually a really fun activity. I enjoy doing this. Out, in. Oops, you have to be really careful. In and out, in and out. It's very frail, this leaf, so be careful. Again, your parents might need to show you. Okay, and out. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Who has enjoyed our autumn in a jar activity? Who has enjoyed it? I hope you did, because I really enjoyed it myself. So if you would like to watch more fun activities, hit the subscribe button, because I'm going to try and post as much as I can, okay? Lots of fun activities. This is just the beginning. Okay, so see you soon, everyone.